Gutire mugomo wa arutani uguthie na mbere nginyagia miario ya uiguano iria yambiriirie gatagati kao na kamiti ya wandikani irikirire.
Kama wall hanging, thank you.
Ndumiriri ino irekereirio ni utongoria wa ciama cia arutani cia KNUT na KUPPET aria moigite ni mehariirie kunanira njung'wa na TSC no magakinyiriria na kuga kungiaga uiguano na mendekithia mao mage guthikiririo matigakorwo na wiki o tiga kuiga coka thi.
We are pushing for a pay rise of between 50 to 100%, postgraduate allowance of 40% across board, that those people who have masters, PhDs should be retained in schools because they are now critical staff in the new competency-based education that we are pursuing.
Hali ya sasa mambo ya COVID yameenda na walimu wamesema kwa wakati huu hawako tayari kupokea CBA ambayo haina pesa.
Mendekithia ma ciama ici ni gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti ya uiguano, njoherera ya mishara kuri arutani aria mari icigo-ini iria igumirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri o hamwe na mubango wa urigiti wa SHA ukinyanirie matanya maguo.
Tumesema mwalimu apewe miezi 6 na malipo, miezi 6 na nusu ya malipo, na baadaye aendelee kutibiwa na asiwe retired kama yeye hana hiari ya kufanya hivyo.
Mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki Seth Panyako oigite miario iria irathie na mbere ni ya gutigirira mendekithia mamanathi ni makinyanirio maria ni hamwe na kwandikwo wira wa gutura, guteo kwa uiguano wa mwaka wa 2024 gatagati-ini ka mangi.
We have been pushed and shoved around for so many years. This time round, it is only one negotiation, centralized, and it must apply to all 47 county public service boards.
Kiama giki hamwe noguo kiugite miario iyo yaga kurehe kihonia, mugomo wao ukambiriria tariki 3 mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu.
Ule mwananchi ambaye ako Lamu ni sawia na ule mwananchi ako katika kaunti ya Migori.
That the Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives shall not accept negotiations to happen in 47 county governments. We want negotiations to happen at a centralized place.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.